Hello students, I'm Madam JC from Educare TZ. I'm teaching biology and today I'll be with you, my advanced level student, to discuss our topic which is found in Form 5, and this topic it is called the gaseous exchange and respiration. So my student, this topic is the second last topic in the Form 5. So meaning that hapa tumebakisha topic moja kumaliza topic zinazopatikana Form 5. So my student, you are warmly welcome, whereby we are going to discuss about this gaseous exchange and respiration. I hope it is not a new term because you have already covered all of those in your lower level. I mean ordinary level. So in this chapter, we're going to see the same component, the same content which are found in the O level, but simply there's just addition of few things that we need to cover. So then they are very essential and very important. So now you are warmly welcome. So as I have said, this one is the chapter 6 in Form 5, and whereby it is called the gaseous exchange and respiration. So our subtopic that we're going to cover in this topic, and the first subtopic, it is called the gaseous exchange in mammals. That is the first subtopic. But also we have another second subtopic which is called the gaseous exchange in plant. So the same. And the last one we're going to see the respiration. So we're going to cover also what are the respiration, why does the respiration take place within a human being, and so on. Such things, the same as. So this topic also the simplest topic in Form 5, and it is very essential. It carries about 20 marks into your paper 1. Kule Form 6 ukiangalia utakutana na hili swali. Kwa uwezi ukakwepa, hauna namna ambapo unaweza ukakwepa swali linalotokana na hii topic. So my student, I need your attention. So before we are going to start looking on our first subtopic, firstly, let's see the introduction of this topic. What are the things that we are going to discuss? So now, my student, we are saying that on the introduction, we can say that all living organisms exchange gases between their respiratory surfaces and surrounding environment. All living organisms. When we are saying all living organisms, I hope you know, me and you, my student, we are living organisms. So we need the respiratory surface so that it can help us in exchanging gases. What gases are we talking about? The gases that we are talking about here are the carbon dioxide together with the oxygen. Hizo ndizo gesi ambazo tunazitumia kwenye hii topic ya gaseous exchange. So now we are saying that respiration also we are going to cover. So why this respiration? Now we are saying that this respiration is the energy yielding process that regulates energy which is used by a living organism to perform various body functions. So through the process which is called the respiration, ndipo ambapo wewe unaweza leo hii ukamove, ukaweza kutoka sehemu moja kwenda sehemu nyingine, unapata nguvu. Kutoka sehemu moja kwenda sehemu nyingine ukafanya kazi mbalimbali. Kwa sababu gani? Kwa sababu tu ya respiration ambayo ina takes place within your body. So we're going to see how does this energy are produced within your body. Zinatengenezwa wapi? Tutaenda kuangalia kwa upana zaidi. But here the thing that you have to know is that. So when we are talking about the respiration, that is production of the energy. So also we can say that it is a vital process of all organisms as it provides energy for all metabolic processes. Tukisema metabolic process, those are the processes which are occurring within your cell. We are talking about growth. We are talking about reproduction. All of those processes, they need the presence of energy. So where does the energy come from? Energy inapatikana wapi? Inapatikana kupitia hii process ambayo inaitwa respiration. That's why here we have said that this one respiration is the vital process. Ina umuhimu mkubwa. So meaning that without respiration, reproduction could not occur. Kwa sababu hakuna energy ambayo inaweza ikasaidia process nzima ya reproduction. But also not only that, growth. You know that growth is taking place within yourself. Those meiosis, mitosis will not occur. Why? Because there is a lack of energy. So with the presence of this process which is called the respiration, ndio ambayo ina enhance production of energy. So also in this chapter, my student, you will learn about the mechanism of the gaseous exchange in mammal and the plant and those, in the process of respiration. So this one are the few things that you have to capture them before we are proceeding more further, looking on our broad now subtopic. So tutaenda kuangalia kivipi gaseous exchange ina takes place. Tutaenda kuangalia pia kwa mammal. Tukiongelea mammal, we are talking about human being. We are talking about birds and so on. Those one, they lie under mammal. But also we're going to see gaseous exchange in plants. And finally, we're going to finalize looking on the respiration in general. So my student, now let's see the first subtopic of our topic, which is called the gaseous exchange and respiration in mammal. And this one, it is called the gaseous exchange in mammal. That is the first subtopic. So what is this gaseous exchange in mammals? And what are the mammals we are talking about? What are the mammals? So here we are saying that gaseous exchange entails the process of exchanging respiratory gases between the cells of organism and the environment. So the thing that is exchanging gases, that bring about the gaseous exchange. And don't only say that exchanging gas, you are advanced level. Huwezi ukasema tu exchanging gas. Gesi gani? Sulfur. Gesi ipi? Hapo nitakuwa specify kabisa. Unamwambia gesi ambazo tunazoongelea hapa ni carbon dioxide pamoja na oxygen. Ndizo ambazo are involved kwenye hii process nzima ya gaseous exchange. So, and here we are saying that oxygen is required for aerobic respiration. We're going to see all of this. Why the aerobic respiration? I hope you know, because these things, it's not, they are not new terms. Aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration. But this aerobic respiration, it requires the presence of the oxygen. So now we can say that all organisms that undergo aerobic respiration obtain oxygen from their environment, and carbon dioxide as a waste product of respiration is returned to the environment. So while an organism ambao wanakuwa wanafanya aerobic respiration, they demand the presence of oxygen. Kwa sababu hiyo oxygen ndiyo ambayo itatumika kwenye process ya respiration in general. Thereafter, the final product or the end product itakuwa ni carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide itaondoka within their body as a waste product to the environment. Kwa sababu carbon dioxide tena has nothing to do within the body of mammal in general. So now we can say also that the area of the gaseous exchange within the organism body, it is called the respiratory surface. And also the process of gaseous exchange takes place by diffusion. So this one are very few things, but they are very important in understanding our topic, which is gaseous exchange and respiration. Here we have said that the process of gaseous exchange, it is occurring within the body, the human body, for example. But specifically in the process or in the place which is called the respiratory surface. But also here we have seen that the process of the gaseous exchange, it is taking place by diffusion, not active. Not by osmosis, by diffusion. So these are the very important things that you need to understand before we are proceeding more further. So my students, let's end here, and in the next part of this session, we're going to discuss in details what is the respiratory surface which is occurring within the human body. We're going to see all of those in the next part of this session. So thank you for your attentively listening.